Ram, how are you doing today?
Just the same. We yet have to finish some of the music on the show, so वो सब काम चालू है.
Okay.
But काम है तो बहुत बड़ी बात.
Yeah. So welcome to Bollywood Bubble, Ram. And how's the lockdown treating you? How's it going all around?
Well, I think first we're happy that there's food, we're at home, there's work. I have a support system that we're actually keeping the economy going. So and we're busy so that our minds are occupied trying to get Arya out, which is now coming out on June 19th, and we've been doing the post-production during lockdown. So actually we have been quite blessed कि हमें काम भी है और sort of it's keeping us distracted.
Okay.
From what's happening to humanity just now. So we should be, we're thankful, we are blessed.
Okay. Truly, absolutely. So talking about Arya, how did the thought come to you, and how did you go about it? How everything fell in place. If you could tell us more about it.
Well, I thought about I was given Penosa, which is a Dutch series. Holland ka show hai. So I was given that for 9 years to see. And me and my wife saw it, and we felt that it is a very strong character. Amita is my wife and co-producer in Ramadhani Films. We've co-produced Arya. It's a launch of our new company. So, but it took 9 years to get it till here. I thought that पहले मैं feature film बनाऊंगा तब तो OTT platforms थे ही नहीं. But and it was very depressing and disappointing when the feature film didn't happen.
Okay.
Because it's such a story, it's like a Shakespearean story in a way. There's a tragedy, there's emotion, family की story है, crime है, सब कुछ है इसके अंदर. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, dance है, drama है, गाना है. So it's full masala in it.
Okay.
So we want to make it quickly, and thankfully Disney Plus Hotstar, sort of 2 साल पहले उन्होंने कहा कि आप वापस, why don't you try and make this? You had it in your mind for now 9 years, so is it still in your heart? And it was still in our heart. Very strong character that Shushmita Sen has played. And so we said, chalo banate, and God smiled and blessed us.
I mean, it looks really great. I saw the trailer, and the DI looks phenomenal. I really love the colors and the high contrast. So just wanted to know, what was the thought behind this particular look and feel?
Well, एक तो Harshveer is our DOP, and Anna is our production designer. And जो दोनों मेरे जो एक मेरा co-creator है संदीप मोदी, and मेरा co-director है विनोद रावत संदीप मोदी के साथ. तो हम when we were discussing the look and feel of the show, ये जो संदीप और विनोद जो थे मेरे associate थे, वो मैं associate directors from Neerja. And Neerja also has a very raw handheld feeling to it, कि मुझे लगता है कि actually to make it real, to make it believable, you should feel like as if you're capturing, you're almost like a documentary. So because of that, trying to get to believability, कि लगना चाहिए यार ये foreign का show है ही नहीं, ये foreign की कहानी है ही नहीं, ये हमारे देश में हो रहा है, हमारी दुनिया का है. The more real you make something, the more you can smell the soil, and the more people relate. So Neerja, maybe you felt like you were in the plane. You felt that you were inside the family's home. तो ये सब एक sort of process है मेरी और जो मेरी team की. And in that process is to try and get to reality and truth and believability. So that's how we did that. At the same time, we make it look good, so we don't make it look bad.
It looks wonderful. It looks terrific. The trailer and everything, right from the technicalities of all. So, you speak about Penosa, and then you spoke about, how certain things have been tweaked in order to, to fit the Indian narrative or to fit the Indian sensibilities. So, would you like to share, apart from the normal song and dance that you said, apart from that, what were the other things that were tweaked in order to fit the sensibilities of the Indian audience?
Ji. So the story has been adapted so that it becomes something which relates to us. Up episode 9, please देखिए, please stay till episode 9.
Okay.
वहाँ मैंने धर्म संकट भी डाला है, धर्म युद्ध भी डाला है, एक इंटर कुरुक्षेत्र भी डाला है, which the character goes through. So this is one hook that I have for you to wait till you see episode 9. So when you see episode 9, that's when you will really see how what I call as cultural rooting, cultural piggybacking. You have to piggyback a culture, you know. You have to take a culture and you have to mold it. You have to, make it our own. So ये सब हमने किया है. Obviously, जो शो का बैकड्रॉप भी जो है, बिजनेस फैमिली, द वे दे टॉक, संदीप श्रीवास्तव और अनु सिंह चौधरी हमारे राइटर, और ये जो एक डायलॉग बाजी जो है ना, जो आपने ट्रेलर में देखी डायलॉग बाजी, एक कमर्शियल, मुझे कमर्शियल पिक्चर में बहुत मजा आता है. But what I do is I don't treat it in a commercial way. तो गाना भी है, but I don't treat it like that. I treat it like as if it is an international kind of a feeling. But जो soul जो है ना, डायलॉग बाजी का सोल, या एक शादी भी है, वो शादी आप देखोगे एपिसोड 1 में, इट फील्स के हमारे जैसे संगीत होता है वैसे ही है. So I make it real, and therefore at the same time it has all the soul and commercial, जैसे हमारे लैंग्वेज का है वैसे वो, जो लोग बोलते हैं कमर्शियल नहीं बोलते हैं कमर्श. So that's what all we do. We try and see how to do all of this to make it part of our language.
Okay.
और ये जो एक रस जो होता है ना हमारे इंडियन एस्थेटिक्स में, एक जो रस जो होता है
जी, तो
यहाँ एक जो रस जो है वो एक ऑब्वियसली एक अद्भुत रस है, एक सॉर्ट ऑफ भयंकर रस है, एक श्रृंगार रस भी है. ये सब जो रस जो है, और एंड में आप देखोगे एक शांतता रस भी आता है और एक भक्ति रस भी आती है
जी.
तो ये सब आप देखोगे शो के अंदर.
Okay. So there's another drama, similar drama. It's called Red Witch, which is again kind of inspired from Penosa. So have you borrowed any elements from
Red Widow?
Red Widow. I'm sorry, Red Widow.
Widow.
Yeah. So have you adopted any or borrowed any elements from there also?
No, I have not seen that. मैंने सिर्फ Penosa देखी 9 साल पहले. I have not seen Red Widow. I was so inspired by Penosa itself. ये जो Penosa जो है मेरे ख्याल से पता नहीं how many countries have adapted it. It is जैसे when you adapt a Shakespeare story, it is a timeless story. And you adapt the Shakespeare story so it becomes rooted to your culture. तो अमेरिकन लोग ने कैसे अडेप्ट किया मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन अर्जेंटीना में भी है, ब्राजील में भी है, as far as I remember, as far as I know. So these Latin American countries have also adapted it, and I have not seen those. मैंने सिर्फ डच का शो देखा और मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये मैं इंडियन बना सकता हूँ. कहानी जो है यूनिवर्सल होती है. All stories are universal. It's the execution, the treatment, the characters that need to become Indian.
Okay. And talking about Mr. Manish Chaudhary, he is one gifted actor, isn't he?
Manish, क्या हुआ, मुझे मेरा first film था Let's Talk. So it was a small English film which Baman Irani eventually did with Maya Katrak. And from that time I've been wanting to work with him. It took me अभी कितने 20 साल हो गए मेरे ख्याल से. So for Manish and me it has been a big journey. We've known each other, we meet at friends' homes, and I'm so happy that we managed to get him and we managed to collaborate together. और आप देखोगे वो है विलन है, लेकिन एक्चुअली विलन का उसका ऐसा रीत रिवाज नहीं है, वो बिजनेसमैन है. He's just because the show is a family show. It's not a thriller, it's not a crime thriller. So he's like, जब वो बात भी करता है एकदम नेचुरल तरीके से, आप कर्जा नहीं चुकाएंगे तो कौन चुकाएगा? So it's very natural, which is the great thing about Manish, that he is a actor also who believes in making it honest and truthful.
Okay. And Sushmita Sen and Mr. Chandrachud Singh, they returned to the silver screen after a long time. So how did you approach the two actors, and did you conduct any specific workshop apart from the normal workshop?
नहीं, what happens is कि workshop तो हम करते हैं. नीरजा में भी हमने workshop किया. Sonam also had to train as an air hostess in Neerja. तो 5-6 दिन हमने सब पूरी जो air hostess की टीम थी. ये तो हमारा प्रोसेस जो है. My co-director Vinod Rawat is also the acting director, workshop director. So and from Neerja they were my associates Sandeep and Vinod, like I said. तो एक हमारी एक there is a similar quest. So जब वो workshop हर एक्टर करता है। बच्चा भी जो है 7 साल का बच्चा जो है आदि है उनका नाम, वो भी वर्कशॉप करते हैं।
Okay.
So what happens is the workshop is to try and get a relationship going, trying to get your backstories. हम सीन का वर्कशॉप नहीं करते, हम सीन का रिहर्सल मैं कभी नहीं करता हूँ। शूटिंग में भी कोई रिहर्सल नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि what I say is in life there is no take two.
Yeah.
So why should there be a take two in cinema?
Yeah.
मेरी जो फोकस पुलर जो everybody is there but 2-3 cameras, हम पूरा एक जो समझो कि 10 पेज का सीन है, तो हम 10 पेज का सीन हम साथ में करते हैं।
Okay.
Every actor is there. अगर शादी में there were 23 actors, all 23 actors have to be there. कैमरा अगर है आपके ऊपर या नहीं है, जैसे अगर शादी का मैं सीन कर रहा हूँ, तो even if you're behind the camera, आपकी जो एनर्जी जो है, जो यहाँ से जो दूसरे एक्टर को मिलता है, that is also what is very important, a feeling that you're getting energy. तो इसमें जब मैंने सुष्मिता और चंद्रचूड़ के साथ मैंने बात की कि भाई ये मेरा सिस्टम है, ये मेरा प्रोसेस है, मैंने नीरजा में भी ऐसे ही बनाया, and they had seen Neerja, they like Neerja thankfully, तो they actually have no reason to say yes, no, क्योंकि वो लोग तो अपनी जिंदगी अच्छी से निभा रहे, there's no reason for them to come back. They like the material, they like my process, they like my work, and again they said yes, क्योंकि वो power, yes का power is not in me, in them.
Yeah.
And so they said yes. I was very thankful and blessed that they said yes. Because to have Shushmita there, हमने कितना investment किया है ना, in terms of our memory, in both of these actors, and the love that we have given them, and we want them back.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy that they said yes to me, because आपने trailer देखा तो there is a universal love that has come, not just because of the trailer, but because of these two actors.
Yeah, it's pouring in from all corners.
Yeah, actually. And having said that, I'm wishing that आप जब episode देखेंगे June 19th को Disney Plus Hotstar पे जब आएंगे 9 episodes, तो I'm hoping that you will forget कि ये सुष्मिता सेन है और ये चंद्रचूड़ सिंह है. You will remember कि ये आर्या है और ये उनका husband तेज है. So that's what I'm hoping. I think the first maybe 5-10 minutes you'll be saying, oh, सुष्मिता है, अच्छा, oh, she's nice, huh? But after that, I'm hoping you'll forget that.
Okay. And talking about the narrative structure, I would want to know, like, what it majorly relies on. Like, is it a Fabulous Suicide kind of structure, or is it reverse chronological, or is it?
नहीं, it's just क्या है कि it's a 3-act structure.
Okay.
आपने ट्रेलर भी देखा कि 3-act structure है. एक हैप्पी कहानी, एक हैप्पी फैमिली है. उसके जिंदगी में कुछ होता है. उसके लिए the main character has to go through many obstacles and hurdles, and then she overcomes the hurdles and becomes somebody that she never wanted to become. उसको ये धंधा छोड़ना था और फिर ये धंधे में फंस जाती है, और उसको अपने बच्चे के लिए उसने कहा कि मैं ये धंधा छोड़ूंगी, लेकिन वो ये धंधा में और to protect her children she has to pay a price. So it's a regular kahani of a character's arc that begins from her being a regular mother, a regular housewife, जैसे and somebody who's also sort of fit, who's working, all of this. But then she gets caught in a web that of the world where. But having said that, that's not really what it's about. What it's about is how you protect your family. To what price you pay when you want to protect your family. It is about trust and betrayal. It is about भरोसा वही तोड़ते हैं जिन पे आप भरोसा करते हो. So it's about all of that. And it is in some ways, आप देखोगे एक towards the end you will see that there is a महाभारत का भी एक हमने scene डाला है, तो वो भी आएगा, क्योंकि the greatest family story there is in India is the Mahabharata. So if you're talking families, तो महाभारत तो आता ही है.
Okay. And since you spoke about Neerja, one thing that I observed about Neerja was the sound. It was like a notch or a note above, in accordance with the narrative. Even when, like after the whole incident happened, and when the little kid goes up to Miss Shabana Azmi, and tells her that what were the last words of Neerja. We could hear that sound of the airplane gradually going up. So I mean, similar sort of thing has been there in Arya also with regards to sound.
Well, I have the same sound designer, Sahu. I have my same music director, Vishal Khurana. दोनों same है जो नीरजा में थे. They contribute a lot to the sound design and the narrative of the sound design. यहाँ तो we've even done all of this in the last 3 months in lockdown. साहू का पूरा टीम, विशाल का पूरा टीम, ये सब जो हम देख रहे हैं, जो हम घर से अभी हम काम कर रहे हैं, सब लोग, हम ये Google Chat, Zoom पे हम सब ये lag के साथ etc. So we're doing all of that. But they help in the conceptualizing of the story, and they know the aesthetics के ये जो the aesthetics that I have. तो how much to क्या होता है कि अगर acting अगर real होता है ना, तो sometimes you have to make the music act. तो जब मनीष के साथ भी जब मैं बात कर रहा था, I said, Manish, देख, you have a mustache, you have dark glasses, right? You have a Jaguar car, you will have dialogues, you will have music. ये सब मैं करूँगा. To all of this, we will give you clothes, mustache, chashme, to make you feel like a villain. Okay, music, dan, ये सब होगा. So now you don't act like a villain, क्योंकि ये सब मैं कर रहा हूँ. You just make it natural.
So you played on the contrast.
It has to be the contrast. So what happens with sound design and with music? वो लोग act करते हैं.
Yeah.
जो मेरे actor जो है ना, जैसे आपने देखा सुष्मिता का line जो है, एकदम throwaway line है.
Yeah.
मर्द बचे. Like normally हिंदी फिल्म में अगर आप देखोगे तो it will be मर्द बचे नहीं. There will be a certain emphasis, a certain punch. तो वो जो punch जो आता है ना, वो sound design और music से आता है. Acting natural और real होनी चाहिए. जैसे हम आपस में बात करते हैं, real होनी चाहिए. और ये सब जो 360 degrees जो surrounding जो होता है, camera, style, costume, music, इससे ये सब मैं actually punch करता हूँ. Acting real, everything else up there.
Okay, and Christopher Nolan says that the more the real location, it helps to tell a story better. That's the reason he doesn't rely too much on VFX or CGI.
Yes.
With Neerja also, I mean, there was a set that that was erected to give the feel of the interiors of an airplane. Yeah. So with Arya also, did you rely heavily on natural and real locations?
So Neerja में क्या था that if you it was a plane that the PA system was working, the bathrooms were working. अगर आप plane के अंदर जाओगे तो लगता है कि actually the only thing it's not doing is flying. Everything else is real. The more you surround people with things which is before action and after cut. कि when now Shushmita walked into the house, जो हमने Anna is our production designer. So I make sure all the actors visit it's not a set, वो उनका घर है. जो नाम जो है घर का, वो आर्या ने चूज किया. सुकून है नाम, घर का नाम है सुकून. तो वो आर्या ने चूज किया. जो जिसके she will come, she'll open the fridge. Fridge के अंदर everything will be there. कबाट के अंदर everything will be there. If she wants to move the water bottles from here to there, she can. The kitchen is fully functioning. The home is fully functioning. आपको जहाँ भी जाना है जा सकते हो. This is not part of a set, and these are things which it's your home. So क्या होता है? The body cells begin to also, and in your muscles, your muscle memory begins to. जब आप बैठते हो तो लगता है यार ये तो मेरा घर है. So I try and do all of that. Again, it is part of to try and see how to make it real, how to make it like a documentary. So yes, it's natural. जो kitchen का नल जो खुलेगा, वो it is a real. It's a real tap, and it will happen. So what happens is because of this, the actors, मुझे पता है शबाना जी ने नीरजा में, I had brought her to the house one day before, and she said, Ram, मुझे एक चीज मिसिंग है. मुझे लगता है एक डालडा डब्बा में एक मनी प्लांट होना चाहिए. वो कभी आपने देखा एक्चुअली, वो शॉट में नहीं था, लेकिन वो किचन में था. क्योंकि इस घर में डालडा डब्बा मनी प्लांट के साथ होता है. तो all of this what happens is कि the actor then begins to feel कि it's not shot, action, cut, अच्छा, and this whole idea के next setup, या अच्छा मैं कहाँ देखूँ, what is my eyeline, अच्छा ये thermocol है मैं यहाँ देखूँ, नहीं, none of that, और all actors are there. I'm shooting 360 degrees. I can go wherever I want. The actor can go wherever they want. Two, three cameras will be there. So it's a new system. It's a system which I call as the 10 ways to get to truth.
And you are someone who has worked extensively in the ad industry, and then you have made documentary also. You like to tell stories that are real, in a documentary format. Then you go ahead and make something like Neerja, which is a biopic, and now Arya, which is a crime drama. So how does that shift of locus in narrative or in storytelling happen? How do you straddle all of that?
So
Akshay, we have time for just one last question, Baba, after this.
Sure.
Akshay, I would like to continue this. You're asking some really nice questions. I would like to talk more. We shall have to blame the team for this.
No worries.
Okay. So no, I'll make it quick. I'll give you a quicker answer. First of all, Arya is a family crime drama. Neerja was not a hijack film. It was about a mother and daughter.
Yeah.
So I'm interested in relationships. So that is number one. Number two, I'm in the business of feelings. I'm in the business of emotions. So अगर मैं Happyden करूँ या हर एक friend जरूरी होता करूँ या Twitter or Kindle or any of the ads or Airtel, whatever, I'm here to reach out and make you either cry or laugh or get. मैं बोलता हूँ कि मेरा जो धंधा जो है ना, मैं emotions में के धंधे में हूँ. So whatever makes you feel is basically why I'm here, and to try and tell you stories that actually alter your mood, to forget who you are for a while, to forget कि जो अपनी जो all the problems of the world and get caught up in other people's problems. And I'm here to try and see how I can affect you emotionally and with feelings.
Okay. Cool. And lastly, since we spoke about Let's Talk, it was India's first feature film to be shot in a digital format. Now with Arya coming out on a digital platform, has the life come full circle for you?
Not really. It's, I embrace technology all the time. I'm here to adapt. I'm here to reinvent. And I'm here to actually, more than anything else, I'm just here to struggle. In Kaam Karte, there's a mountain that you have to climb and you do your work. And जैसे गीता में कहा है कर्म करो, और वो सब हम कर रहे हैं, बस और कुछ है नहीं.
Cool, wonderful. So on that note, Ram, thanks a lot for talking to us. It was a pleasure having us with you. So I look forward to the show Arya, which is premiering on 19th of June.
I hope you like it. Please let me know.
Sure, yes. I'm going to binge watch it in one go.
Yeah, 19th June, chalo.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks a lot. All the best for the show. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.